for your eyes. Fantastic. And welcome to the Choco Vision Room.
What is this place? Some sort of television studio?
Of course, we're making all the commercials.
Wrong. You're all familiar with how television works?
Yeah, big deal. What's this thing do?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm a bit deaf in that ear.
I said, what's this thing do?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a bit deaf in that ear as well.
What's that lumpy doopy doing?
Well, you see, television gave me a wonderful idea. If you can send a picture via television, why not a candy bar?
But that's impossible.
It's very possible. Imagine sitting at home, watching TV, and suddenly you see a commercial. Try a Wonka bar. Try it now. And poof! There it is, with a flick of that switch right there. But it's not been properly tested yet. Therefore, no one should touch it.
Hey, look at me! I'm gonna be on TV!
He's gone. Oh dear. I do hope some part of him is not left behind. You've never sent a person before. Look!
It's happening. Hey, look at me! Look at me! I'm the first person ever to be sent by television.
Mike, I asked you not to touch.
Put me down! Put me down! I want to do it again, again, and again!
He's completely unharmed.
Unharmed? He's barely 6 inches tall.
Well, that is a problem when small boys can be very springy and stretchy. Ah, the taffy pulling machine. That should work well.
How far do you think he'll stretch?
Who knows? Maybe miles. Please follow me.